Let's go riding on my new bicycle.
Look, nigga, I've been this way. System niggas loaded up them shotgun shells and shot my older cousin. That's all in his face. Fuck niggas talking. My teachers called me a disgrace. Had to pull up on.
Let's go on my first ever bicycle ride on my new bicycle. We are beginning our journey now. It is a 20-kilometer planned route. It is one of the most beautiful routes in Montreal. You will see. Let's start.
And rip J's. I spent days trying to duck the ricochets. Cause we was trying to figure which click play with the shoe in 9 days. Y'all boys just try to figure who click play. I made bitches and made niggas.
About 8k, 7k done, and I just got off this bridge. You can see a biker coming. This bridge is about 2.5 kilometers long. It's parallel to the other bridge, this bridge right here, which goes across the river, St. Lawrence River. And the amount of insects on this bridge is ridiculous. Nice bike. Yeah, as I was saying, the amount of insects that I went through this bridge is absolutely ridiculous. There are insects on both sides of the railings, and they are in thousands. They are in hundreds of thousands. Always wear your glasses while you're biking, very important. And don't forget your helmet. Safety is number one. I also have the safety lights on. Although it's in the morning, it's always important to keep your safety lights on, even though it's day. And this is the path I'm going through now. It's beautiful. There's river on both the sides, and this is the only cycling lane. There are trees, and as you can hear, nature on both sides. Why should I wear AirPods when I can listen to this? The same bicycling path from the bridge. Finished about 20 kilometers. I have 5 or 6 more. Today I'll roughly do 28 kilometers of bicycling. It's a casual day, never doubted my abilities to do it. But there was an incident where my bicycle seat, the nut right here, was loose, and 2 very kind other bicycles stopped, and they had tools, they had a Swiss knife, and they helped me tighten it. Very glad that we still have kind people in this world. There are kind people left in the world, and always be kind. Let's go. Bicycling track, and I made another stop here. It says toilets, water, air. So I use the restroom. That's my bike, and I will check for air. If not, I will fill some air. We have some air right there. And that's the park. This is the bicycling track, and we have been cycling for 1 hour and 20 minutes. We have covered 26 kilometers. We have 5 more, so we will finish at 31. It's a casual first time bicycling trip on my new bicycle. Beautiful. all the way from Montreal to Candiac. We were at St. Catherine and we rode all the way on that beautiful path next to the river, St. Lawrence River, and you can also see Montreal downtown from there if you go. It's beautiful. You see a lot of bicyclers. What a great place. Montreal has a lot of bicycling paths. If you're ever coming to Montreal, make sure you get a bicycle and explore all the biking paths. They're incredible. You will never get that experience in a car. Always get a bicycle if you're in Montreal. See you.
Ain't got no business talking, just a bill statement. See the light from afar away. I still felt close on the nights when I'm far away. I'm coming home working at night to a hard day. Trying to avoid nights in the hallway, selling hard, yay. Back when you was hip hop and then watching Kanye, I was couch
Hello,
hopping and
teacher.
sleeping inside a Hyundai. Made beds
How
out
are
of
you
any
doing?
floor at your mom place. Trying to duck the crime rate. Where the fuck was my mind state?
30 kilometers and 1 hour 40 minutes later reached. What a great journey. Gotta freshen up. That's a bike ride on a new bike. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. I'll see you later.
I ain't going backwards. Closest thing to going backwards is me rolling backwards. Looking at you niggas like it's no more factors. Until a story over like it's